Hello friends, welcome to Vintage Backyard RC. Well, today we have our Ultima 2 on the bench. I believe it's an Ultima 2 Turbo or a Turbo Ultima 2 because it has gold shocks. As we get it apart, we'll figure that out. We'll have a few challenges this build. I don't have any battery retention system, so I'm probably going to build something there. I need a front bumper. I'll probably steal that off my other Ultima. And, we'll get started. Got this lovely Boki Racing body there. Can't wait to get that painted up and on this thing. And we're going to get right to teardown, guys. Hit the overhead, tear it down, clean it up, and put it back together. Stand by. Okay, we're going to start things off with a simple teardown and inspection of the parts. So far, everything was looking great. Teardown went great. Everything's in really good shape. Plastic's in good shape. The chassis is not too bad. The gearbox looked great. The bearings are shot, so I'll have to find some new bearings for it. And it has the incorrect rear shocks. But the good news is I have a set of spares. So we'll put the proper gold shocks on this thing, tear that differential apart. Not looking forward to that because that's got the little microscopic balls on the inside of that. But it is what it is. And we'll get everything cleaned up and put back together. Stand by, all. Man, those little teeny balls on the thrust side of that differential, you really got to be careful. You lose one of these, it's game over. Everything got a wash and a lube, and it went back together great. Got the diff apart. It was actually really clean inside. I always struggle with those little teeny microscopic balls on this end of the diff, but it wasn't too bad. Nice and clean, feels real smooth. Bearings on this actually feel great, so we're just going to get everything back together and cleaned up and be on our way with this. Everything got a nice bath in the sonic cleaner, and I serviced the shocks with brand new O-rings. Okay, everybody, well, everything's back from the sonic cleaner. And it looks great. I don't have anything broken. The gear here is a little worn out, but it's not terrible. So it's nice and clean. I got to tell you, man, old Kyosho plastic definitely holds up, unlike Team T. Sorry, guys, but their plastic's better. I'll leave it at that. I'm going to use the bumper for my Ultima. That's from a re-ray. It bolts right on. And we're going to get these shocks built. They all have new O-rings in it. Diff's ready to go. It's just reassembly time now, guys. So stand by, and I want to get back to work. So I gotta say once again, the plastic is in great shape, and Kyosho plastic just holds up. So let's get this thing back together. Okay, it's coming together great. Rear end's all done. Rear suspension mounted, front suspension mounted. Just got to mount up the shocks on the front, put the upper deck plate on, and we're fairly finished this guy. I don't have any complaints. Everything's in great shape. Can't wait to run her. Well, there we go, guys. Our top deck's mounted. Servos are installed. All the shocks on. Bumpers on. Looks good. Got some roughage up top there. But you know what? This car is really clean. And I bet it's going to be fast. So, figure out battery mounting system for it and get it buttoned up. I got this amazing Boki racing body cut out and mounted. Did the same thing to this iconic oversized wing and sent it out for paint. Well, I did the paint. So another iconic Kyosho is reborn. Let's check it out. So there you go, guys. I think it turned out great. We got our Pro tires mounted, and this thing's ready to rock. And the good news is, we already took it out for a few laps, and it's fast. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to help support the channel. And be sure to see us over on Instagram. You guys rock on, and I'll talk to you all down below.